Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thanks for watching our videos today. So today we're going to talk about the DCT470, Mitsubishi Evo 10 MR, and Rally Art dual clutch transmissions. So the output shaft on these transmissions are splined into the T-case, and what happens is these run dry. And things like those of you with the Rally Art that have the battery up above the transmission, your battery leaks acid over the years. It can migrate down between the trans and T-case, get into the splines and chew them up, actually accelerate corrosion. And also just driving it on the road, like through a rainy day or a snowy day or whatever, you get the environment getting onto the splines here, and the metal is just, it's exposed, and over time it'll start to begin to corrode and wear. And once it starts wearing and sawtoothing, what'll happen is in short time the splines will strip, and then the car becomes immobile. It's a pretty interesting failure. What happens is the car is stationary, it doesn't move, but you can put it in drive, you can drive it through first, second, third gear. It seems like everything's working fine, but you're not moving. If that's your case and you don't have any codes, it's probably stripped splines between the trans and the T-case. So luckily, we're the only ones that do this, but we have replacement splines for the output tube on your SST trans. This is kind of a delicate process to install these. So we do an exchange, or we prefer to just have you ship us your center diff. So we can take it apart, pull the assembly out, and get to the spline tube here to make the modifications necessary to do the job. So what we have to do is we cut the original off, and then we run it in our equipment to step the assembly inside the tube, and we also step this as well to match. We press it together for a nice press fit, and then we weld it together. So you can also see some of the differences here. Our splines are a lot longer than the factory. You see, the factory is very short. Ours is a lot longer. So since we had to make splines from scratch, we decided to make them longer to give you more of a contact patch and a coupler to give you more real estate here, to try to give us as much longevity out of splines as possible. We also changed the material from factory too. The factory material is pretty soft. So we went a little bit harder, and we have like a high nickel content on this too. We need your center diff because we have to machine your original shaft to fit our splines. That's about it. Thank you for watching.